105, do we have Sylvania in this pursuit?
Sylvania's in it, sir.
Alright, Sylvania, I need you to call in.
893 dispatch. I'll be attached to that pursuit behind Toledo. 893 copy.
889, same traffic.
89.
311, we're still west of Monroe, approaching Erie.
Approaching Erie.
Continuing westbound Erie.
Northbound Erie.
Westbound Erie.
Westbound Erie. 311, where you at?
Through Old Farm.
Through Old Farm.
311. Looks like he dropped something out at Monroe Erie split. Approaching Centennial right now. We're going to be going northbound on Centennial.
Northbound Centennial.
We're approaching state line.
Approaching state line.
Is MSD in Monroe County advised?
Monroe County is aware, sir.
Command, we're going to stay with this right now until they can take over, if that's okay.
205, if OSD is going to continue into Michigan with it, then we can pull off. If they're not going to continue, then we will.
We need to know now because we were past state line. We're in Michigan.
Continue until Monroe County picks it up.
Copy. 311, we're going to be approaching Lynch Road.
What? Approaching Lynch Road.
Eastbound on Lynch.
On Lynch.
That's still west, still eastbound on Lynch, past Clark.
Eastbound Lynch, passing Clark. En route to your area.
Highway.
Southbound Memorial Highway.
Looks like we're going to be still going inbound Michael Beck and the state line.
Inbound, possibly approaching the state line.
Still inbound on Memorial Highway, approaching Green Road. Yeah, I got it.
Inbound Memorial still.
Hit.
Stick hit.
Good six, good six.
Good sticks.
311, alright, we're going to be back to state line. We're still going to be going inbound Memorial Highway.
Still inbound. In Toledo. In Ohio.
South on Main, downtown Spring.
Southbound Main.
Looks like his right front and maybe his right rear is going to be flat.
Right front, right rear flat.
Still south on Main Street. A lot slower now.
Still southbound Main.
We might be stopping.
Might be stopping. It remains closed.
I just stopped. Watch crossfire.
Okay, watch crossfire.
First stop.
311, checking your safety with the other crews.
11, stand by. We're taking one into custody. We're clearing the car. Slow down.
Affirm, sir. All units headed in shoot North Main. Take it immediate. Air remains closed.
311, we have one in custody. Car is clear. You can open the air.
One in custody at 2207. Car's clear.
21, I need Monroe County at Green and Memorial for flat tires.
Green and Memorial, need Monroe County.
I'll be out South Main and Convent blocking.
Main and Convent blocking.
I'm aware.
All units on this pursuit. Go ahead and come on over to Central Channel. Let's switch up to Central Channel.
891, turn that on Main. All the other units.
891.
11 dispatch, any mileage is 32403.
32403, 311. 521 Monroe County crew headed your way. Green and Memorial.
I copy. I'm going to stay behind them until they get here.
521, this is a civilian vehicle that was struck.
Sir, it's going to be Michigan plate Eddie King 1498.
Copy, sir.